Hey everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Totally Primal. We're going to talk about the situation in Ukraine and what we can all do to help. So here at Primal Eats, what we're going to be doing is coming out with a Ukraine-style pizza. It's going to be a chicken Kyiv pizza. It's going to have some butter, garlic, and our own smoked chicken topped with breadcrumbs, and it's just amazing. You guys have to come try it. 50% of everything we bring in on that is going to go directly to a 501c3 organization that is helping fund the efforts in Ukraine. We're going to post that on our website as well, so you guys will be able to donate by yourselves. But just coming here and buying this pizza, you'll be making a difference. We use a brine in our chicken. Brining chicken just makes it turn out juicier, it makes it caramelize better, and especially if you're roasting, baking, or smoking your chicken, a brine is the way to go. So the brine that we use is very simple. It's kosher salt and brown sugar, and we put that in water, and I've got the proportions right here. So at home, you're probably going to be only using about 2.5 pounds of chicken, maybe more. You can always scale up the recipe. But I've got about 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs right here, and I've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and that's going in 2.5 cups of water. So it's pretty simple to remember. 2, 2, and 2.5. If you want a little stronger brine, make it a little sweet and savory, you can go 2 cups. So 2, 2, 2. Whatever you want to do, you do what you like. So let's just get that mixed up real quick here. And brining is just, it's something that I've always done at home, and it's something that we integrate here at the restaurant. Now, obviously, we're going to be brining more than 2.5 pounds of chicken at a time. Usually we've got 40, 80, 120 pounds going at any given time to go on the smoker behind me here. So that's just about dissolved. You'll see all the granules kind of disappear in there. I got my bag here. I got my chicken thighs. We're gonna add those right to the bag, slip them right in. There should be more than enough brine. Oh yeah. Now you can put it in a Ziploc bag, you can put it in a glass container preferably and cover it and stick it in your fridge overnight. What you really need, 12, 24 hours, but overnight does the trick. Back in the Primal kitchen, and our chicken is smoked. It's out of the smoker, it's cooled off, it's ready to go. And I've got Jesse with me here.
Hi.
And we're gonna be putting together this chicken Kyiv pizza. We decided to do a chicken Kyiv pizza because kind of looking through at some of the popular dishes in Ukraine, the chicken Kyiv is actually very popular. It's served across many hotels and restaurants, and it's a staple in people's homes. So we thought that'd be a great way to create awareness and raise some money for these folks over there. So as I said earlier, if you come to Primal Eats and you purchase one of our special chicken Kyiv pizzas, 50% of those donations are going to go directly to a 501c3 organization called Razom for Ukraine, and those funds get directly to the people in Ukraine. So stop on by and help us out. Jesse, what are we going to start with?
Steak butter.
Steak butter.
A lot of steak butter.
Love steak butter. Because if you guys have ever had chicken Kyiv before, usually it is a chicken breast that is pounded out real flat, and then they make a stuffing that usually consists of butter and some herbs like parsley or dill, but most of the time you've seen it, it's of an oval shape, and when you cut it open, all of that filling spills out onto the plate and kind of acts as a marinade for the rest of the dish. Well, we've turned that into a pizza. So starting with the steak butter at the bottom, that's a compound butter that we put together here at Primal Eats. It's just got some really nummy ingredients in there, like some garlic, some
Vermouth.
It's got some vermouth in there.
Dried onions.
Dried onions. So all the good things. All the good things are already there. So all right, we got our butter down. What's next?
Smoked chicken.
Now we got that in a nice, what, 1/4-inch dice here to go on top.
Yes.
So yeah, not your traditional Kyiv. This is the Primal twist. All right.
Then we're gonna go with extra garlic.
Lots of garlic. We need lots of garlic on there. A good chicken Kyiv, in my opinion, has got some good garlic butter on the inside.
And then the mozzarella.
Of course, we need the cheese on there. Not something that is typically associated with a chicken Kyiv, but we are making a pizza after all. So let's make sure we get some cheese on that. Awesome. And I see we've got some chives sitting here yet.
Yes, that goes on after it's cooked
Okay,
for a
so
little bit of color.
We're gonna top it with some chives.
But before the last thing before it goes in the oven is panko
course.
breadcrumbs.
That's kind of a big part of the Kyiv is it's gotta be coated in breadcrumbs. So now we're not gonna be deep frying it. Of course, it's going right behind me in the pizza oven, so. Oh man, time to land it. Let's go. So there it is, the chicken Kyiv pizza, and I just want to say, when you come out to Primal Eats and you order this pizza, not only are you serving yourself, but you're serving others. We're going to take 50% of what we bring in on this pizza and we're going to donate it directly to the cause for Ukraine. Now, you can go to primaleats.com. We have a link to that same cause at the top of the website. You click on that and you can directly donate yourselves too. But come on down, have a good time at Primal Eats. Thanks for joining us again on Totally Primal. I'm Dave, this is Jesse, and we'll see you next time. My name is Dave, and I'm not gonna say again. I should know my own name by now. Last time, Bo, so you can find it on your camera. Second to last time. Bo, you got this. Find it right here. Third to last time. This will be the last one. Bo, I'm gonna help you find it on your camera. With hot by purchasing this